In this tutorial, we will learn the basics of how to run a campaign. Campaigns are used to schedule advertising banners to display in your signatures. Let's get started. Start by choosing Campaigns in the main menu bar. To continue, click the Create Campaign button. First, enter a campaign name. Campaigns can target specific signatures or entire groups of signatures. Click on Groups and Signatures and use the checkbox to select signatures or groups. This enables you to target the same campaign to a specific group of signatures easily and to run various campaigns among different groups of users at the same time. By default, your campaign will apply to all signatures in your organization. When you're done, click Submit. If you want to add signatures to campaign or change your selection, click on Groups and Signatures field again. Now we will set up a schedule for the banner field. Selected images will be displayed in chosen signatures as their banner during the selected interval. You can leave the end date empty in order for your campaign to be indefinite. If you do so, any campaign created later will overwrite previous ones during its interval. When finished, the indefinite campaign will be active again. Let's continue. Click on the Choose Start Date. Choose on what date and time your campaign will start. Confirm by clicking Set. Select an image to be used as a banner. Image will be contained and compressed to fit the template. You can use the AdSigner image editor if needed. Just click on the crop icon. If you want to remove the chosen picture, click on the icon on its upper right corner. It is very important to set the destination URL of the website that a visitor is redirected to when clicking on the banner. We successfully added one banner to our campaign. Click Add and repeat previous steps for another banner. Set date and time. Choose your banner and set destination URL. By clicking on three dots, you can choose between some additional options like Insert New before or after, or Remove. When you want to change banner order, use the drag and drop option. Hold the date on the arrow icon and drag it to a new spot, then drop it. Now just set new dates. You can add more banners. When you're done, choose Campaign End Date and Time. Press Set. You can check what an individual signature will look like during the campaign. Click on the arrow down to open the drop-down menu. Select the signature you want to inspect. By clicking on the accordion below, the signature preview will appear. Once you are satisfied with your campaign setting, click the Save Campaign button. If you have any further questions, leave us a comment below. For more tips like this, subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow AdSigner on Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn.